morning, you guys, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday number 2. It's been a few weeks, but we're getting back in the swing of things. Today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. This one's going to be a little random. So as you guys know, I'm doing a Tone Up Bikini series, which has been awesome. We're about to start week 5. This is the last day of week 4 when I'm filming this. But I currently do not have access to an oven or stove. So we're not getting our new oven until next Saturday. So in a couple days from when you're watching this. So I'm kind of having to improvise. So I thought it'd be fun to do a what I eat in a day on Tone Up Bikini series without an oven. So come along for this journey. It's going to be an interesting day. But first I thought I would start by not that this is a food thing, but I thought I would show you kind of like what I take as like supplements and stuff, just because it's stuff that's going into my body. It's important. So I thought I would show you my morning medicine and supplement routine. So I have my little pill container. This is from Amazon. It cost me like $3. So it's really hard to open. That's not a bad thing. I'm going to dump these out. This is going to be bad. Yay. Okay, everything's out. So, first thing I take is my thyroid medication and my allergy meds. Boring things, but important. Then I take vitamin D, selenium, B12, and magnesium. My inhaler, because asthma problems. And then I take these All Nutrition Purely Probiotic. This is the Brambleberry flavor. They have a mango one too that's pretty good. I think it's mango. That's pretty good, but I like these ones better. And they come in a bigger container, so they last me longer. So I'm going to take all those and then head downstairs for breakfast, so I'll check in with you then. Alright, so the first thing I have in the morning is my Bombshell Spell. This is 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, and the juice of a quarter of a lime. Just a good metabolism booster. It's how we start our day on Tone It Up, so that is what I'm going to start my day with. And then I'm going to make a smoothie with all these things right here, but I will show you how I do that when I'm done drinking that. Alright, don't mind a messy counter, but I'm going to show you how I make a smoothie in the morning. So we start with frozen banana. I just, at the beginning of the week, slice up bananas and put them in this freezer bag, and so I can freeze them all week to use for smoothies. So I use about a half a banana worth. That's probably more like 3/4 of a banana. That's okay. And then for the smoothie, my other fruit I'm going to use is frozen blueberries. These are just the Target Market Pantry brand one. They're like 99 cents. Actually, probably more than that, but they're pretty cheap. So that's what I use. I'm going to use probably about a half a cup of blueberries. Alright, about half a cup of blueberries. I'm going to wash my hands because now I'm covered in blueberries. Alright. Blueberries and banana done. Then I'm going to use about a tablespoon of unsweetened coconut. And at this point, I've made it so much I can just like guess on measurements. Okay, I really like coconut. Alright, next we're going to put in this amazing grass green superfood detox and digest. Has a lot of really good greens for you and probiotics, which I like. So make this a little bit healthier without having to pack in a ton of fruits and veg that just make it like super thick or super like grainy. Which you'd think adding powder would make it more grainy, but it doesn't, so that's good. And then for protein, we're going to add a scoop of Tone It Up vanilla protein powder. The vanilla isn't my favorite. I usually just buy it for baking, but with blueberry smoothies, I like the vanilla protein more than the chocolate or the cafe latte. So just take a full scoop of that. This gets really messy because the scoop is almost as big as the neck of this bottle. All right. So there is that. And then I'm going to pour over about a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Let that soak down. a splash more. All right. And then we go over to the blender corner. And I'm just going to put the blender cap on this. Plug in my little Oster personal blender. Maybe. When we get our new oven, this microwave is going away because we're going to have a new one above the stove, which means I get to have a good smoothie corner, but for now it's kind of just a mess. So then we shake this down to get all the frozen stuff from the bottom. Ooh, come on. Okay, we'll see if that worked. Might have shaken it a few times. The frozen stuff did not come down, like at all. There we go. That's more like it. That's the noise you want to hear. Shake up, make sure everything's getting blended. Do one more little blend. All right. Then I'm gonna grab a glass. I want the big one just in case. I put a lot of stuff in this. All right, and then tilt you guys down. Pop off the cap. Ooh, this is really thick. Well, we'll see what happens. And then we pour. Yes, I'm using a beer glass for my smoothie. Judge me. Alright. So there is my blueberry and greens smoothie. Alright, I just popped in a big old purple straw. I'm just gonna have a sip just to taste test this for you. I feel like that's cheating because I had this one the other day, so this isn't like a new smoothie, but it's really good. So I'm gonna drink this and go clean my room a little. Also got my water right there. So just gonna get through that and then I'll check in with you guys when it comes to meal 2. Hello y'all, it's about 10:10. I am just having my M2. So to show you what I'm gonna have this little Jimmy Dean protein pack. It has a hard-boiled egg, some cheese, and some turkey sausage. And I'm still trying to finish my first 24 ounces of water, which I should already be done with, but I've been real bad about water today. So I'm gonna finish that water and refill it and eat that and then get back to working on my room. Hello friends, it is 12:50. I'm just eating my M3, my lunch. This is a gluten-free bagel with cream cheese, everything but the bagel seasoning, and some turkey. Treating myself to a Stella Artois cider because we were just cleaning all morning, and then some water. So I'm gonna eat that still in my pajamas. It's great. I'm gonna eat that, then get dressed, and then I'll check in with you guys later. Hey y'all, it is about 9 o'clock. I am getting ready for bed. I just wanted to kind of check in about how the rest of the day went. So as you guys saw, I went out for Mexican food. That was my meal 4 technically, because we went at a really weird time, but that ended up being my dinner. I had some traditional tacos and rice and beans, and then I've just been home drinking water since. I didn't have a meal 5 because I ate too many tacos. So just been drinking water, did a workout, but yeah. That is what I ate today, doing Toned Up Bikini series. Obviously not a perfect day, but I would rather be realistic than be like super staged. This is how my perfect day went. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!